Apple's potential game-changer in the foldable smartphone market. The foldable smartphone market has hit a plateau, but Apple might be the game-changer we've all been waiting for. Rumor has it that a foldable iPhone is on the horizon, and it could reinvigorate the industry in a big way. According to display analyst Ross Young, Apple is expected to enter the foldable smartphone market in the second half of 2026. With Apple's dominance in the flagship smartphone arena, this move could spark a massive surge in foldable interest. Young predicts a jaw-dropping 30% growth in the foldable market in 2026, followed by steady growth of 20% annually in 2027 and 2028. Could Apple be the driving force behind this revolution? Rumors suggest the first foldable iPhone could feature a clamshell design, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip. This means a vertically folding device with a screen size between 7.9 and 8.3 inches, offering the best of both worlds. A compact, pocketable phone that transforms into a full-size device. With Apple's focus on design and innovation, this foldable iPhone could set a new standard, redefining what a foldable smartphone can be. And if the rumors are true, it could arrive around September 2026. Would you jump on board the foldable iPhone train? Or is this just another trend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest tech news.